Got it here, OLED flashlight with the rechargeable, like a pocket. A few things over here. That's how you open this kind of annoying packages. Boom. And you just have a charger right here. Nice. So there is your flashlight. Wow, that's pretty smooth. I always thought it'd be so big, and to recharge it you just plug it in here. So I guess it's a little plug, and then you just plug it in, and it's magnetic. I love it. Look at that. So nice. And whenever it sits like that, it's not gonna fall out and you're not gonna drop it. If you open it and hold it upside down, it's not gonna drop it. So it's like extra power bank over here, and you plug it in and charge it all at the same time. But at the same time, you can buy this flashlight by itself. I really love that double clip to where you can clip it onto your head and have it like a headlamp. Super nice. There's a little cover you'll have to take off, and this battery is replaceable. OLED is pretty good brand. So that's one of a kind flashlight. I really like it. It costs around $100. This one premium edition, so maybe like $130. Let's take this out. And OLED also come out with one of this little holder, because the way you charge it is with this magnetic part. You see? They're giving you this attachment that you can buy separately. It's a little magnet as well, and it's keychain ring, so you can put it on your keys and have this flashlight like everyday carry. I got a black because this thing sold out. You can get a black flashlight, but I don't mind different color. Obviously with the black flashlight probably be looking way better, so you can have it on a keychain, this little flashlight. Pretty awesome. Or you can hang it anywhere onto your backpack and stuff. This separate flashlights without this attachment. Just wanted to show it to you. If you just buy a flashlight, you can get this as like a keychain or whatever. That's pretty cool. Then I got it here another gadget, also OLED. Let's open this. It's a little charger, except you charge at the same time. Instead of plugging it in with the wire, you can charge your cell phone with that or whatever, or multiple flashlight. You see there's a little attachment side here that is magnetic. You just plug it in like that, and look at that, plug it into the wall. It's charging this way or this way, either way. That is so cool. So you can charge it with this plug, or you can also charge this with another flashlight with the plug. So it's double charger. Super cool. I love it that you don't need wires to charge this thing. You just plug it in magnetically. That's one of a kind charger for sure. This time I got it here O-Knife multifunctional Pry Bar. So it's like OLED but O-Knife division of stuff. They do different stuff. Boom. Let's open that. So it comes with a power cord. What I'm interested about is the Pry Bar. Pry bars are very popular everyday carry EDC gadgets, because look how cool it is. You can just stick it into your pocket. It's really tight, the clip, or you can take it off and put it as a keychain. A bit thick, this one, but look at that. There's a pry bar. You can pry something open, and at the same time this flips up and down, and you have right here 4 different bits of screwdriver, flathead. Just stick it in here, boom, you have right here screwdriver, and then stick this one in, boom. This side here is like star bit, tiny one. Probably like take apart a knife and things like that. Different tools. Oh, it doesn't fit that good back in. Come on. There you go. And it closes. Very unique. I like that. You have a little centimeters ruler on this side, and a whistle. Wow, that's cool. And a bottle opener, of course. Pry Pro. Pretty cool. So a little keychain. Got it here another pretty unique keychain dry capsule. Let's open that. Comes with one of these over the neck chains. And what this thing is about. I love the way this looks. As you can see, it has like a keychain little item that is not too big, but if you have only one key, probably a good idea to have something like that. Look, they give you an extra rubber band, so it's waterproof and it's a high quality material. Look, it can hold quite a bit of stuff in here, like fire starters. I'd probably say best for fire starters, stuff like that. Definitely a bigger size dry capsule, but I really like that one. Beautiful edges, looks super cool. This one would be for your stress relief. Pretty beautiful. There's a brand, Arctic Sock EDC. Is that what it says? I think so. But yeah, you just spin this like that. You hear it? There's little clicks like this. You can go up and down. But yeah, it comes off, and there's a magnets inside with this little wheel spins. Boom. You see it? Pretty simple, but pretty fun. Do you hear that click? For some reason I'm better with my left hand. That's pretty satisfying, and I do enjoy the clicks it produces. Yeah, pretty unique fidget toy over here, but at the same time makes this nice clicky noise. Got it here, SlideLock 360 magnetic carabiner, detachable. So there is a reason why would you want to have it, maybe on a toolbox and stuff like that, easy to take it off, whatever, use your imagination. First of all, you got a carabiner that locked, you pull it like this and then it unlocks. You can pull it too all the way. Same thing here, boom, so that way it won't unlock by mistake. Then you can lock it back up. This thing right here has safety as well, unspins and then it comes off. It's pretty strong, not super powerful, so I see how they giving you like a second option to like make sure it doesn't come off by mistake if it grabs onto something. But yeah, it's definitely easy release, and whenever you're done with this, maybe you have some kind of fishing tool that you want to attach and detach, boom, and then once you're done you can clip it back in and seal it so it doesn't come off. Pretty interesting. And the last one, this one is funny. This is a comb, and then boom, you have a knife. So like a hair comb, like a regular one, that's funny. And then you pull it out, you have a little, like a letter opener, tiny little blade. That's hilarious. Not super sharp, but sharp enough to open the letters. Isn't that funny? I would not have guessed it. The thing is cheap, like what, $10, something like that. Yeah, definitely unique little gadget.